Hi friends, this is Ramesh Pitla LLB. Please subscribe to my channel to know about IPC sections. So let's know what is the IPC section 144. Joining unlawful assembly armed with deadly weapons, who are being armed with any deadly weapon or with anything which used as a weapon of offense is likely to cause death, is a member of an unlawful assembly, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine or with both. So this is the definition has been given in IPC section 144. So most of the people knows that this is the most important IPC section, because we can see in India, wherever you go, any state, any place, so whenever certain government, state government or central government come up with any plans, come up with any scheme, come up with any new plans, so people will gather and they will try to do some kind of unlawful assemblies to give a kind of objection to the government. Or else unlawful assembly means not only that one, anything. Suppose with unlawful assembly means which is not lawful. So without having the permission from the respective government, from police department, if they assemble at one place, that is called unlawful assembly in simple terms. In unlawful assembly, again, some people will try to make some kind of nuisance, and they may try to attack some other person, to hurt some person. They will carry some kind of deadly weapons. So what are the deadly weapons? It may be the knife, it may be an axe, or the weapons which gives serious hurts. Those are called deadly weapons. So if they carry such kind of deadly weapons and if they participate in unlawful assembly, so such kind of people will be getting an imprisonment of 2 years or fine or with both. So when they will get when they will get both, like imprisonment plus fine, suppose if the severity of the action, severity of the offense is very critical, then the accused person will get the both imprisonment plus fine. So we should respect law and order, and we should not assemble which is not lawful. We should not go and participate in unlawful assembly, because whenever there is a emergency situations, whenever there is a most important actions or something is very important, the government will announce prior, the police will announce prior to the public that don't assemble and don't make any nonsense, don't make any nuisance. So when we get such kind of warnings from the government, when we get such kind of information from the police or respective government, we should not assemble unlawfully. Suppose if someone unlawfully assemble somewhere else, or if they carry any deadly weapons, this is the punishment will be given to the people who violates the law and order. So my dear friends, I want to create an awareness for each and every IPC section. It's a small try from my end. So please subscribe to my channel. Let us spread the legal knowledge to each and everyone in our country, so that we can reduce the crime rate in our India. Because if someone knows what is the punishment for an offense, even though they have some intent to commit for an offense, they may stop doing such kind of offenses. That is the main intention. So stop committing crimes, respect women. From our channel, we are also creating awareness about women's safety. So respect women, don't commit for any crimes and women. Let's support the women. Thank you so much for watching this video, and any feedback, any doubts, any queries, you can reach me. You can post your comments in a video, so that I will come to know and I will answer to your questions in YouTube comments. My dear friends, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you.